Welcome to my channel. Good evening to everyone. So today I am going to discuss the topic name is the a journey into the computer science engineers. So in this journey, not only as a IT field graduates, non-IT graduates also you can proceed in that software industry field side. So before that we are going to discuss the topic. So first of all, what is the your background? Is it even IT or non-IT background? You are came from this. So if you want to the switch to IT sector, who those have non-IT graduates. So first of all, you need to be the aware of the first some sector of fields means such a kind of the categories those categories what they are uh, roles they will work on this every technology of different roles different role can do any uh, which is the regarding to the application implementing purpose they will assisting for us. So first of all we can follow that way. So first of all, so before so here I'm going to the so welcome to the my channel. So empowering minds for the change. So first of all, the in my YouTube channel, what type of the videos can I make in future? So I will make the explore the delivery topics. It is some such a kind of the foster discussions and the empower viewers. The viewers for the first to changing. So they join our mission for enlightening the global community. So this useful for the everyone everywhere. So from here, which is according to the such kind of the the things and accessories so whatever so it is assisting for you so that's why so yeah and also you can visit the Agnikul Kshatriyas the website so in who those Agnikul Kshatriya people so here let's see the empowering the Kshatriyas in tech embracing heritage for the digital excellence. So join us in our journey of the discovery about our communities. So those is not only that persons the who those have need to the um, switch to the IT field. So please follow my practice videos. So so for the awareness of the basics only. So I am not a expertise person in software field. So this is the practice section from me. So it is useful for you. I thought that way I will make videos. So so let's go for the top before going the topic. So I gonna explaining about these things. So it is a buffering. Why does it is taking loading? Okay, right, sure. So please subscribe my videos and please you should like my every videos and share it. So thank you. And here let's go for the today the title. This is our title, the emerging innovation, a journey into the computer science engineers. So today mentor class session. So what is the software firm? So software firm means here the software industries different kind of sectors they will provide different kind of the services. So this is some kind of the services means some the product based companies is there like that e-commerce so and also some services based on different type of the technologies that type of the software companies is there there each and every companies to expertise the with their developers to implement the client satisfied centric the low cost of the applications they were implemented. So that based, so the here the assemble of the segregated parts of the constitute the software industry. So such a kind of the already I told you. So what is the IT sectors? They have the some designations is there. In the each designations, what their role doing in the software field. So I we will discuss right now. So let's go for such as a kind of, so here in the software field. So if you want to go for any designation, so okay, those those kind of each designation role must and should we need to aware all the roles what they are doing in this software industries. First, we need to be aware. So I would like to share those things. So here the PM. So here the PM means here product based. So here the product based manager. Here this product based manager, what he is doing. So here suppose here this is the left side, which is the going the left side part PM, and here designer and PGM and developer, tester, DevOps, analyst, and tech support, automation. This is the designations in software fields. So the right side part of the project, sorry, the project. So here the first the PM here the product management manager. So here the product manager, here the PM abbreviation is the product manager. So the product manager name is email. So what he is email doing in his company. So let's go. He is so much client give the some requirements. That requirement based he email the product manager. He has taken he the client which is his requirement is there, the client requirement which is the client requirement is there, that type of the requirement based he had do the feature product ideas, and he is the research the every computing in this software field. He is such a sorry search for the researching about the users, which kind of the users, how to the user like to and the user experience based. He is give the some kind of the features and also the user problems he can do. So those peoples here they are rules based. They will implement it. So whatever the client requirements. So like this way he has done. So that is the role of the product manager. So the email is the doing his goal is the things observed. He can do every day, every everything he can provide. So after that next the next designation he is the next category, the designer. So the మనకి ఇక్కడ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ తెలుగు ఆల్సో. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ప్రొడక్ట్ మేనేజర్ అనే అతను ఒక అప్లికేషన్స్ క్లయింట్ బేస్ చేసుకునే ఆ క్లయింట్ కావాల్సిన అప్లికేషన్స్ ఇప్పుడు కాంపిటీషన్ లో ఏదైతే కాంపిటేటివ్ గా ఉన్న అప్లికేషన్స్ ని ఆ అప్లికేషన్స్ కంటే మనకి ఇంకా బెస్ట్ ఫీచర్స్ ఏమున్నాయో ఆ ఫీచర్స్ ని ఆ, అలాగే యూజర్స్ ఇంకా కొత్తవి ఏవైతే థింకింగ్ చేస్తున్నారో ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకుని ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ మేనేజర్ అన్న అతను సో he will make some guidelines of the document. So the product requirement doc. So that is the PRD. So he is the focusing on the why, what, which purpose they can use. Like that way, the product manager can be give the guidelines. So that is the role of the product manager. So అయితే product manager నుంచి వచ్చిన గైడ్లైన్స్ ప్రకారం what designation what designation the do from the based on the product manager guidelines. So here next one, the designer Lucas, the designer Lucas, first of all, he is make a experience. He is make a some he is getting the some experience from the user. So user experience that is so we are called the designer. Designer, Lucas. Yeah, designer means you know the designation of UI UX designer. So the here that is the Lucas role. So what he has done, this UX US UI UX designer do. First of all, what is the difference of the UX and UI? So UX is the designer, the user experience designer. So the users, what the easy to how to the user can the they will know the any instructor when user come on our site they will not after the suppose the user cannot satisfied after the using the our site. So that is the fault based from this is the UI UX designer. So because of the UI UX designer can do everything for the view of the elevation of the project. That's the elevation project. He doesn't properly give the such a the proper way to give the structure depending upon his wireframe and also using to the Figma and XD. The tools using they didn't give the some Jira tickets properly not provide. So after that the developer can make mistakes and other easily the user not cannot be satisfied. So that is the feedback will come as not satisfiedly. So it will user can give the bad feedback. So that's why the designer here user experience designer ఎవరైతే యూఎక్స్ యూజర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ డిజైనర్ ఉన్నారో అతను కంపల్సరీగా ప్రొడక్ట్ మేనేజర్ ఇచ్చిన గైడ్లైన్స్ ప్రకారం ఈ మనకు కనిపించే అప్లికేషన్ ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ నుంచి మనకు కనిపించే ప్రతి అప్లికేషన్ యూఐ యూఎక్స్ డిజైనరే మనకి టోటల్ గా వ్యూ అనేది ఇతనే ఒక ఎలివేషన్ అనేది ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ మనకి టోటల్ ఒక వ్యూ అనేది మనకు ఒక ఎలివేషన్ అనేది ఇతనే ఇస్తారు అనమాట. సో సో మనకి కరెక్ట్ మెయిన్ సపోర్ట్ పర్సన్ ఈ యూఐ యూఎక్స్ డిజైనర్. సో ఇతనే కరెక్ట్ గా లేకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాసెస్ అంతా ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంతా ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఫుల్ఫిల్ ఫర్ ది user centric approaching the projects. So like that way. So first of all, before that, so we will discuss the letter or whatever. So that type of thing. First of all, what is the UX? UI is the user interface, and UX designer. UX designer can make the only the client basic the front view elevation only. So but what is the user interface, what is the UI,